There's a nice pair of tits. We've been waiting all day for this moment.
Can I see? Hey, Kev, can I see? Blimey, did you get a photo? Yeah.
They're unusually large tits, aren't they?
Yeah, they're great tits. I wish I had a pair like that.
Oi, oi! Nice tits.
Bernie!
Juliet's called. Emergency meeting at the bird's nest.
Now?
I know, I've only caught 57 today.
57?
Bloody hell. That's way more than Alan.
Well, if he'd called shotgun earlier, maybe he could have come with us.
Can we leave with you now?
If you call shotgun in time.
Oh, hey, guys.
Hey, Josh, why are you so sad?
Just thirsty.
Well, try some of this.
Polly's fruit punch. My favourite.
It's squawking good.
Our parrot mascot Polly has gone missing. Help us find her fast.
Are you going for Polly, Alan?
I don't know, I'm worried.
About what?
I've only read this twice and
What are you reading that for?
it says to read it many times.
You don't catch Bernie reading those
That's
books.
because he's naturally talented. He's perfect.
The best birder, isn't he?
Yeah, he's quick enough to tell people that, though.
I don't think so. He's a local celebrity ever since we caught those zooty magpies. That was one heck of an SSV.
Well, the rest of the pub are leaving, so here's your chance.
You're right, I'll go.
But Mum!
Still fresh. Gotcha.
Oh, get out! Get out!
Bernie, that was you?
Yes, I've been practicing.
What are you doing behind the tree?
Oh.
You what?
I meant I've been admiring the bark.
Admiring the bark?
Yes, you see these scratches? They are the claws of the ornate willow duck.
A duck with claws?
Yes, it's very rare and it went that way.
Maybe we should go together and find it.
Oh no, you should get it yourself.
But in the book it says that we should work in teams.
Alan, it's a crappy book. The book can't help you. Okay, look, you need to do these kind of things by yourself, without a team, without a book. Learn to be a natural, then you can win, like me.
You're right, I'll go.
Yeah, go get that duck. Duck! Duck!
Where?
Oh, sorry, false alarm.
I couldn't find the duck. I think it's gone a different direction. Oh, Polly!
Bernie, you stringer!
Oh, hi, Alan. I found the orifice swallow duck.
That's Polly, you liar.
Is it?
Blimey, no wonder why you've won so many times. You're a cheater.
I'm not a cheat. I only play dirty.
It's the same thing. It's not fair.
Oh, and what told you that? Your silly book? You have to think on your toes to win, Alan.
Bernie, Polly's not even there.
You're really going to try the oldest trick in the book?
No, look.
I'm not doing it. Shh.
Ah!
Shut up.
Ah!
Shut up.
Ah!
Shut up. I got you now.
Polly, Polly, Polly. There we go.
Gotcha. Give Polly to me.
What? No.
Give her to me, Alan.
No.
Come on. Don't prolong this.
I said no.
Oh, you bloody cretin.
Where?
Now, Polly and the money are mine.
You cheat.
It's not cheating if it works, Alan. And why would I forfeit a way that works? You have to think on your toes! Look who's done it again!
Bernie!
How'd you do it?
Oh, now that'll be telling.
Come on.
Oh, well, it was difficult, but...
Now Polly and the money are mine.
Shut up.
You cheat.
Shut up.
Hey, don't you tell Polly to shut up.
It's not cheating if it works, Alan. And why would I forfeit a way that works?
What? What's happening?
You've won is what's happening. Bernie, pass him Polly.
Never. The money is mine.
Bernie, let go! You scoundrel, let go!
How's about a round on me?